Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Clarity on Shopify. So first, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. So next, in a new tab, head over to apps.shopify.com and in the search bar, we're just going to search for Microsoft Clarity, then press enter. And from here, we're just going to install Microsoft Clarity. So proceed by clicking once again on the install button. And from here, we're just going to need to make sure that Clarity JS is on. So all you have to do is click on go to store settings. This will redirect us to our store editor page. And from here, all you have to do is make sure that Clarity JS is turned on. And once done, just head over and click on the save button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!